Hello, and welcome to the introduction for the AT-USB-EX350-KIT USB 3.2 Gen 1 Data Extender Kit. The Atlona AT-USB-EX350-KIT is a data-only USB extender kit. It supports extension of 5 gigabits per second, USB 3.2 Gen 1 data up to 330 feet or 100 meters, using a single Category 6a UFTP cable. The USB EX350 kit is ideal for video conferencing or remote instruction applications, where high data rate USB components including laptops, computers, cameras, microphones, and speakers are in different areas of the room. The USB EX350 kit is comprised of 2 endpoints. The host endpoint includes a USB-C port for connection to hosts, such as laptops, computers, or other AV equipment that supports USB connectivity, including many Omega series products. The device endpoint includes 3 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port for connection to 4K cameras, conferencing bars, microphones, speakers, and other peripherals. Bidirectional remote power allows the kit to be powered by the included power supply connected to either the host or device endpoint. An Ethernet connection on the host endpoint provides access to advanced configuration, monitoring, and control capabilities. The USB EX350 kit satisfies the need for point-to-point extension of higher data rate USB 3.2 Gen 1 components that are becoming available in the commercial AV space. It expands the capabilities of Omega installations by allowing USB peripherals placed in remote locations within the room to interface with the primary switcher. In summary, the USB EX350 kit provides a straightforward solution for applications where extension of USB 3.2 Gen 1 signals up to 5 gigabits per second is required. The Ethernet port on the USB EX350 supports advanced integration capabilities not found in any other USB 3.2 Gen 1 extension solutions on the market. This port may be used for configuration, monitoring, and control functions over the network. VBus for each device port may be configured to follow the host connection, always on or always off. Each device port provides up to 1.5 amps, allowing even energy-hungry components to be powered by the device endpoint. For system verification and troubleshooting, the EX350 supports monitoring of total power consumption as well as connection status of each USB port. Firmware updates may be applied over the network. The EX350 supports IP to RS-232 translation. This means it can facilitate communication between an IP-based control system, such as Velocity, and a device with a physical serial port. Key features of the USB EX350 kit: point-to-point extension of USB data up to 330 feet or 100 meters using a single, cost-effective Category 6a UFTP cable. Supports USB 3.2 Gen 1 devices at data rates up to 5 gigabits per second. The host endpoint has a USB-C interface for host connection. The device endpoint has 3 USB-A and 1 USB-C for peripheral connections with individual VBus mode configuration. Bidirectional remote power allows the kit to be powered by either the host or device endpoint. Ethernet port for configuration, monitoring, and control. IP to RS-232 translation for bidirectional serial communications through the device endpoint. The USB EX350 kit is ideal for remote instruction applications, where higher data rate USB peripherals such as 4K cameras are located at distances of up to 330 feet or 100 meters from a classroom computer or teacher laptop. It also provides access to similar devices in meeting room applications, where they are located significant distances away from video conferencing software running on the room computer or laptop. In this diagram, the USB EX350 kit is being used to extend USB signals from a 4K camera to an Omega switcher and routed to either the connected laptop or room PC. In this case, the ATOMESW21TX switcher and HD-Base-T transmitter helps reduce clutter with its USB-C connection that supports AV, USB 2.0, USB 3.2, Gen 1, and power for charging on a single cable. If you would like more information on the AT-USB-EX350 kit, you can find it at Atlona.com.